These AI miniature construction videos are created using free AI tools, and videos like this get tons of views, guys. So first, watch this demo video, and then I'll show you the full method. For AI miniature construction videos, I'm going to share this prompt template with you. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and submit it. After that, tell ChatGPT, provide me with 10 ideas, and it will provide you with AI construction video ideas, along with titles and keywords. You can also write your own idea here. So for example, if I like any idea, I simply type number 9 in ChatGPT and submit it, and it will write the prompt for the first image, meaning the base prompt. Before using this prompt, there is an image ratio option where you can choose whether you want to create a long video or a short video. So, copy this entire prompt. Next, open Google Flow, which is free for both mobile and PC users. After opening Google Flow, change the first image generation ratio and video generation settings. Since I'm creating a short video, I'm selecting the short video ratio. Next, paste the first frame prompt here and then generate the first image. If you don't like the first image, simply paste the prompt again and generate a new image. Click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and simply type Next, and ChatGPT will write the first motion prompt for this first image frame. Copy it, come back to Google Flow, paste the motion prompt, and click the Generate button. If you're using a mobile, first upload the image, then paste the prompt and generate the video. Now comes the most important step. Our first clip is ready. Let me play it and show you. If you're using a mobile, save this clip to your phone, then play the video on your mobile and take a screenshot of the last frame, meaning the frame at the end of the video, just like I'm doing. If you're using a laptop, simply play the video, right-click on the video, and select Save Video Frame. Now, from where the first clip ends, we're going to create the next clip. Take the last frame or screenshot you saved and upload it to Google Flow again, just like I'm doing. Okay, so I'll click Add to Prompt. Now again, we need the motion prompt for this. So go to ChatGPT and type Next again, and it will write the second motion prompt with all the details, where the main structure will be built. Copy this as well, paste it into Flow, and generate the second video clip. Now guys, you can see that this clip is also ready. Again, save the last frame on your PC or mobile, just like we did with the first clip. If you're on mobile, play the video and take a screenshot. And if you're on PC, right-click and select Save Frame. Now guys, upload this screenshot again and add it as well. Again, get the motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the video again. And now, check the result of this third video clip as well. The entire video is being built step by step in the same location. So next, I'm skipping this step because you have to take a screenshot of the last frame of every clip, upload that frame to Google Flow, then get the motion prompt from ChatGPT and generate the next video clip. Once your 6 video clips are ready, the next step is simply video editing. For video editing, open any app. For example, I'm using CapCut. So import all the clips into it, then do the color correction first. After that, you need to cut the ending section of every clip. For example, if your video clip is 10 seconds long, cut the last 1 second. This will make your video look smooth when you play it. There's no need to add background music or sound effects. Once you've cut the ending section of every clip, simply export the video. You've already seen the final result at the beginning of the video. So guys, I hope you found this method helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI method. Until then, take care and keep creating.